Hi crafters, this is Cassie bringing you another quick tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That monthly sublimation box. I'm very excited about today's project, which is going to be sublimating on a 6-panel pillow. This pillowcase is a great size for a travel pillow. I believe this is going to fit in here nicely. But I'm very excited about this project for two reasons. One, I typically don't make things for myself, even when I'm practicing on a project. But for this particular pillow, I am going to make a photo pillow of myself. This is me as a little girl and as an adult. And the words that I'm going to put on the pillow says, "Little girls with dreams become women with vision." The other reason I'm excited about this project is because I'm going to try something different, which is this Elmer's Craft Bond. It's a spray adhesive. It's both temporary or permanent, and I'm going to try to use this instead of using heat tape. If you've done other panel pillows or the panel blankets or the rugs, a lot of times when you use the heat tape, it leaves the marks on the black portion of your substrate, and a lot of times you can use your lint roller to kind of smooth the tape marks in, but I don't like the look of it, so I'm going to try something different, which I saw recommended in by other crafters. I'm going to try this Elmer's, and we're going to see. So let's get started. So overall, I am very excited about how the pillow turned out. The verdict is still out on the craft bond. It wasn't bad. I'd actually will probably use it again. But yes, I'm excited. I'm excited how the 6-panel pillow turned out.